Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about pattern of question paper of university examinations. The subject is chemistry, paper 1, TDC part 1. I would suggest you, before attempting any questions from question paper, you have to read instructions. You can see instruction is here. Answer any 5 questions, selecting 2 from group A and 3 from group B. If you are not following the instructions and you are writing according to your choice, definitely you will lose your marks. So stick to the instruction. Don't choose more than 2 questions from group A. Even you have answer of all 4. Your limit is only 2. You have to answer only 2 questions from group A. And group B contains 5 questions. You have to choose any 3 out of 5. Then definitely examiner will be pleased with you and you will get the proper number. So question number 1, what are the causes of deviation from ideal behavior of gases? And Van der Waals equations. What is Van der Waals equations? Then you have to derive the unit of Van der Waals constants A and B. If you remember Van der Waals equations, there is A and B. So you have to find out the unit of A and B. Questions number 2 contain 3 parts. A. Define Pareto. Second, explain Rodburn's rule. And C. What do you understand by free volume of liquids? If you are attempting question number 2, you have to answer all the 3 questions. The next, have the question number 3, write phase rule and explain terms involved in it. And describe the phase diagram of water system. Explain lines and point in it. What is the meaning of lines and point in this diagram? And write short note on boils temperature, surface tension and transport number. This is the last questions from group A. So this group A belongs to physical chemistry. Now in paper 1, group B belong to inorganic chemistry. So question number 5, define following terms and discuss their variation in periodic table, like atomic radius and I. B. NF3 has lower dipole moment than NH3. Explain. Then second ionization energy of sodium is higher than magnesium. Explain. It is reasoning questions. Suggest the hybridization shapes and structure of the following: water, SF6, XeF2 and ammonia. Then write short note on the following: valential electron pair repulsion theory, fluorine diagonal relationship in periodic table. There are 3 relationships in periodic table, top to bottom, left to right. So here diagonal relationship and what is the importance of diagonal relationship in the periodic tables. Now, next questions, number 8. Define non-bonding molecular orbital. Draw the molecular orbital diagram of CO and explain its donor and acceptor properties. Then, last part of question 8 is explain the formation of nickel CaO4. In the last questions, explain the following: percentage ionic character of bond, Born-Haber cycle, alkyl and aryl organometallics. Explain it with the examples. Example, it is not written, you have to explain it. Now, paper 2. Again, paper 2 have some instructions, same as paper 1. Answer any 5 questions, selecting 2 from group A and 3 from group B. Group A, you have to clearly write in your answer book 1A, 1B, like that. State and explain first law of thermodynamics. Define Cp and Cv and establish the relation between Cp and Cv. Questions 2. Deduce the experimental term of de Broglie equation and verify it experimentally. Explain Heisenberg uncertainty principle. The next question, discuss factors governing heat of reaction, how it is determined. And the last question, explain law of rational analysis of question 3. Now question 4, write short note on the following: Miller indices, jet effect and Kirchhoff's law. Now group B belong to organic chemistry. The first question, what are dicarboxylic acid? Discuss its applications. Write the formation and chemical reaction of unsaturated monocarboxylic acid. Means unsaturated double bond is there. And you have to discuss about dicarboxylic acid. Next question is how sulfur and phosphorus are estimated in an organic compound. How molecular mass of a base is determined by platinum chloride or platinum chloride method, etc. Next question, describe the separation and identification of 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. How to separate, and after separation identify this is the primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. Discuss the mechanism of Hofmann-Bromide reaction, the Hofmann-Bromide reaction. Discuss the application of Grignard reagents in the synthesis of the following compound: 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol and aldehyde and ketones. So application of Grignard reagents in the synthesis of following compound. My friend, the last question is write short note on the following: carbocation, carbanion, hyperconjugation. This is very easy question. So if you practice it, I will assure you, definitely you will get good marks in your exams if you are following. So my friends, if you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.